And last thing off the top we're going to talk about here is this. The reviews for The Predator have now hit online, and they're pretty damn good. The last I checked, The Predator is sitting at 78% on Rotten Tomatoes. The reviews are now coming out, and Predator seems to be going over pretty well with the critics. I mean, not all of them like it, but a lot of them do. Let's just take a look at a couple of the highlights here. From Total Film, Matthew Leyland writes, "What Black's movie really has going for it is pace. It starts with a crash, followed swiftly by a bang and a vast swatches of wallop. The relentlessness doesn't allow you any time to catch a yawn, but it's also not too conducive to tension or surprise." Hugh Armitage from Digital Spy writes, "The Predator is a flawed actioner, but a strong cast and some Shane Black magic give it a sparkle that has been lacking from recent attempts to revive the killer franchise." Moving on, one of our friends, Jim Vivoda, writes from IGN, "A Predator movie," he didn't like it. He writes, "A Predator movie lives or dies based on how cool and intimidating its title character is, and that's where The Predator proves woefully inconsistent. However, Chris from Slash Film did like it. While you're watching the movie, it's hard not to get caught up in all the fun. Black and company are having a blast here, and it's infectious." And let's just take a look at just two more. At two of the biggest outlets, they seem to be split on it. The Hollywood Reporter likes it, writing, "Black's movie is so cleverly over the top that it's easy and pleasurable enough to watch, though never exactly scary or suspenseful." Whereas Dennis from Variety writes, "It's an exhaustingly energetic mess in which a coherent plot and credible characters aren't even on the cluttered menu." So, not all the critics like it, but like I said, the last I checked, 78% of them do. They're saying it's just got a lot of action, a lot of fun, what a lot of people were looking for. Now, some people were looking for the Predator movie to be more of a horror sort of idea, but Shane Black said right from the beginning he was going for the action, the fun, all that kind of stuff, the gore of a good Predator movie. And it seems like, at least from the early reactions that we're seeing here, that he may have accomplished that. Now, I haven't seen the film yet. I didn't want to make the hour and 20-minute drive to go watch it, so I'm just going to have to wait till the film comes out just like everybody else. But so far, the reactions look like they're pretty positive. It looks like they may have a winner on this one. Okay, with that out of the way now, let's go on.